In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on BeReal. If you're new to BeReal and you want to add some friends, you can easily do that within a couple of steps. Firstly, let's head over to the app. Now, if you already have some friends, you would see all of the BeReals that you posted on My Friends tab. Now, if you want to add some friends, you can tap on the human icon on the top left of the screen. Once you do that, you will have a few options. So the first thing that you can do is you can tap on search and contacts, and if you allow access to your contacts, then it's going to give you all of the people that are on BeReal. Now that's the first thing that you can do. Second thing that you can do is if you know the username of a particular friend on BeReal, you can search for them. You can search for them like so, and you can open up their accounts, and in order to send them a friend request, you can tap on this button right here. Now your friend request has been sent. Now once they accept your friend request, you will become friends on BeReal. Now the last thing that you can do is if you want to add in random people on BeReal, you can also do that by tapping on the discovery page. So you need to first post a BeReal in order to see these accounts or see this post. Now you can simply open up any account and then also send them friend requests. So that's how easily you can add friends on BeReal. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.